Citroën has just barely begun conveying the changed C3 Aircross, and the replacement is as of now becoming famous. First photos of a still very much disguised one models were made in India. It currently appears to be certain that the new C2024 Aircross expected for 3 will develop toward the bigger C5 Aircross, while the ongoing little C3 Aircross is as yet a combination of a little van and a metropolitan SUV. From 2024 the pattern will obviously be toward a SUV. Yet, the new C3 Aircross isn't intended to be only some other little SUV. He ought to keep the ordinary Citroen astuteness. With the recently sent off in 2017 C3 Aircross, it was significant for the brand not to lose the conventional clients of the C3 Picasso. Anybody who has gone in the effective minivan ought to likewise feel appreciated in the new Aircross. A polarizing difficult exercise arose between a shrewd van and a little SUV. Incongruous, positively not as everybody would prefer, but rather still a regular little Citroen with its smart fluctuation. L'automobile currently shows a first realistic of what the little Aircross 2024 could resemble. The brand with the two-fold point recoils the enormous C5 Aircross and emerges with just the right amount of sibling. That looks great on the designs. Citroen would consequently progress into a specialty that the brand had not recently investigated. There, where neighborhood rivals Renault have been doing best business with for quite a long time captor power, reality should eventually show that the new C3 ought to hold its fluctuation, which has never been accomplished before in this class, regardless of the multitude of similitudes with the enormous SUV. This would incorporate the sliding and collapsing back seat, which offers greatest adaptability in the littlest of spaces. L'automobile consequently contrasts the new Citroen and the Skoda Sasquatch, which has for some time been out of creation. Its fans are as yet grieving enormous tears for the vehicle that was forfeited on the SUV raised area and for its strength and inconstancy.